Hello guys, want to focus your Reolink camera's person detection on specific areas, so setting up detection zones help you cut out unwanted alerts, and in this video, I will walk you through how to set up Reolink person detection zones step by step. So start by launching the Reolink application on your mobile phone and selecting the cameras that you want to adjust. Make sure that your camera model supports person or smart detection features to access this setting. Now, tap the gear icon next to the selected camera to open its setting menu. Scroll down and find the detection alarm or smart detection option, which controls how the camera identifies people. Now, in the smart detection menu, make sure that person detection is enabled. This tells the camera to specifically focus on identifying human shapes instead of general motion like trees or cars. Now, step 4 is setting up the detection zone. So next, open the detection zone section on your phone. You'll see your camera's live view with a grid overlay, and you can drag to highlight the areas where you want person detection to be active. Leave out the zones with frequent false alarms, as you can see on this screen. You can just click on paint and create a zone over the area you don't want to receive alerts about. Now, after setting the zones, adjust the detection sensitivity to fit your environment, and higher sensitivity caches smaller movements but may lead to extra alerts. So lower it slightly if you're getting too many false positives. Now once you have drawn your zones and set the sensitivity, tap Save to apply changes. Now, test the setup by walking through the detection area and checking if the camera correctly triggers person-only alerts. And if you're still getting alerts from unwanted areas, go back and refine your detection zones. It may take a few adjustments to perfectly balance coverage and accuracy based on your space. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.